Greetings. This is Shrishti Khemka, your host at Idea Asha. Today, I'll be taking you along on a detailed walkthrough of this dating app. It's a wonderful way to know people around us and make meaningful connections. So, without further ado, let's begin. Once users have downloaded the application, they can sign up either using phone or their Google ID. To begin, we need to click on the sign up button, then enter our phone number, click on continue. Then put down the code that we receive through an SMS and then click on verify. Once we've done that, we need to enter details such as our name, birth date, gender, and then we get an option to select a few of our interests. We can select any five from the given options over here. Moving on, we can now upload a picture of ours and even add more than one picture and then click on next. Once users have downloaded the application and logged in successfully, they can explore their home page from over here. They can look at the Make Friends option and find out about other people from this panel, or even go to Search Partners panel and look for potential matches. Users can get all necessary updates related to the app over here by clicking on the bell icon on the top. In order to start discovering friends and other people around them, the user can switch to this channel. Here, they can discover various things and people around them. Firstly, they can also begin by searching and then they can find out about the people who are around them through a map showcased in the app itself. Moving on, users can also apply some filters by clicking on this button and then filter out the people that they are looking for. For example, it can be through location, through preferences, either friends or dating, or distance, age, and if they are online currently or not, and then click on the apply button. They can also choose and filter out people through interests by clicking on view all and then discovering people according to their interests. After users have found potential matches, they will appear in this section over here. Now they can have a look at all their potential current matches and then they can find out more information about the person by clicking on their respective profile and then going over here and looking about their details, their interests, their gender, age, friends, and their current location. After this, they can also choose to go to the messaging profile and say hello to them and start a conversation. Next, by going to the messages panel, the user can have a conversation with all the matches that they have and engage with them and send them voice notes such as this and text messages and engage in all types of conversation with them. Users can also click on the like button and the chat button to engage in a conversation with the person of right from the feed on the homepage. Lastly, to edit anything on the user's profile, they simply need to click on the profile button and then click on edit profile, and from here they can add their pictures, remove their pictures, and also update other details such as name, birth date, their bio, their interests, location, and gender, and then click on save changes to save these. They can also click on the language panel to choose all the languages whichever they are comfortable to operate the app in. Lastly, clicking on the settings button, they can choose to change their location, distance preferences, notifications, privacy policy, and also have a look at the terms of service of the application. And to log out of the application, they can click on the logout button and they'll be logged out of the application. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you liked it and hope you continue to watch all other videos with Idea Azure. Thank you.